In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access the free web development resource tools from Firefox. So Firefox has one of the best web development guidelines and organized platform for developers, and from there you can start learning programming and web development from scratch. So if you want to access the resource tool that is available for free, just open your Firefox browser and then type in MDN and then go ahead and search. And this will open this website called MDN Web Docs. So if I click on it, it will take us to this page. So to start learning anything on web development, just go ahead and tap on this Learn option. And here you can see we have MDN learning areas. And here you learn about web development. You can learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so many others. So if we tap on any, for instance, MDN learning areas, you can see we have the learning web development resources here, and you can get here to learn the essential skill set for new front-end developers. And as you develop, you can get to develop your skills as well. And as you can see here, each level is categorized into simple and well understandable learning resources that you can access. For instance, you can get started by just learning about environmental setup, your first website, web standards, and so many others. If you come to CSS, you can learn here CSS styling. And if you just open any, you can see how the tutorials are well arranged and organized. If we go to styling basis, you can also find them here. And the good thing is this resource comes with examples that you can use in every aspect of learning. For instance, if I go ahead and tap on CSS, maybe I want guidelines or examples on box model, I can go ahead and either tap on animation, background and border, or box alignment. And if I tap on it, I'll also have to choose the specific ones that I want. And if I open it, I can see here example of codes and how you can apply them and implement them in your programming or your web development journey. As you can see, we have the CSS codes here, the HTML, and so many others. Look at that. So that's how you can access the Mozilla Firefox free web development resource tools called MDN. And this is for web developers. So you can go ahead and begin on this and to learn web development at your own pace using this free resource. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.